Good morning, guys. Deja vu. We're back on the A12 again. So we are off to Norfolk again. That's why we are back on the eternal A12. This rally is the Broken Barn Rally, and it's hosted by Notas MCC, and these are the guys that hosted the Bits and Tits rally that you joined me for a few months ago. Now, I went to this rally last year. I didn't video it, I just needed a break, and I really did get it because it was a really old school, chilled out style rally. But it's just basically a field where a load of bike enthusiasts, should we say, bike lovers, riders, bikers, whatever you want to call us, just have a weekend. We pitch up. There's no food stalls, no bike show, nothing like that. It's just a very, very chilled vibe. It's bring your own food, bring your own booze. Last year there was a few bands, but they were more of the acoustic sort of laid back type, which is really, really nice actually. We had good weather for it last year, and I've given up now looking at the weather forecast, because at the start of the week it said we were in for a weekend of sun. Now it says it's going to rain late Saturday night, and then just on the news before I left it said we got thunderstorm warnings for the southeast. So I've got my waterproofs. I'll just see what comes. There's no bad weather, just the wrong clothing. As you can see, I'm back on the big wheels, the Dyna. I fitted those second-hand tail lights from, I think they're from a Fat Boy or a Fat Bob as they're known nowadays. Let's get between these. Yeah, they were perfect fit, apart from the bolts on the original ones were too long, so I had to buy different bolts. Also, the what are they called? Deutsch connectors, are they? They were a different type. Same amount of wires going in, so it was a case of using a pin and taking apart the Deutsch connectors. If you've ever wanted to change lights and you need to take apart a Deutsch connector, don't be tempted to snip the wires and join them. Just look on YouTube. There's some really good videos now to take apart those connectors just using a pin or a bit of wire. And once you've done it a couple of times, it's quite easy. So we got about 85 miles, and I'm just taking the fastest route there, which is going to be A12, A14, and probably a traffic jam as well. Yeah.
is it just to see through? Like a dusty window, what's on the other side? My shoes, I'm certain that they're gone, but I will carry on now.
I met my love by the gas road, dreaming by the old canal, by the field of Athenry, where once we watched the small free birds fly. Our love was on the wing, we had dreams and songs to sing. It's so lonely in the fields of Athenry. That's why our love was on the wing, we had dreams and songs to sing. It's so lonely.
Every time I leave a rally on the Sunday, I always feel a little bit like sadness, because it's just because they're so enjoyable. But even more sad is that I heard yesterday that that's possibly going to be the last Broken Barn rally for a while. The club apparently struggling. Some saying they're down to like 7 members, so it's too much for just 7 to try and organise and marshal it, which is a real shame. So this is why everyone who's into bikes and rallies, you've got a duty, get out there and support your local rallies, your local clubs. Bike feels a lot lighter coming back. All the beer's gone. Although I probably put on a stone thanks to Terry's hospitality. I mean, that's just what I love about people. Like, he just saw we were there and said, "Come on over, you're eating steak and ham and sausages yesterday." And then this morning he texts and says bacon rolls are on, get yourself over. So if you haven't seen, I can't remember, 2 or 3 videos ago, I went to Terry's house and he talked about his adventures, and he's off to the America States again next year. He's taking his bike over again, so make sure you watch that video. And then as I was packing up, I met another YouTuber. He recognised me, and he came over and said hello, Mark's Garage, and I think it's stuff. I'll put the name down below. But go and check out his videos as well.